I'm the project manager for the person-centred care team, and I pledge to raise awareness and understanding for all our patients with dementia.
Hello, my name's Nahid Ashraf and I'm the Regional Programme Manager for Unpaid Carers in Gwent. I pledge to identify and recognise unpaid carers of all ages across all organisations and settings so they can be signposted and supported to help those living with dementia.
Hello, my name is Tom Grace, MCA Dolls Lead for Aneurin Bevan University Health Board. My pledge is to support staff to develop and maintain their knowledge and skills around the Mental Capacity Act, to ensure we put people living with dementia and their carers at the centre of decision making, supporting them to feel safe, valued and empowered to make decisions that matter to them.
Hello, my name's Becky and I'm the Marketing Coordinator for Cymraeg Centre.
Hello, my name's Sian and I'm a Customer Relations Assistant and a Dementia Champion for Cymraeg Centre. As a centre, we pledge to continue to promote the Dementia Friend scheme and to share information on what it's like to live with dementia with our staff, retailers and customers to help provide a safer shopping environment.
Hi, I'm Paul from Bridges in Monmouth. I pledge to share the resources we develop to help support people living with dementia so they feel informed and can access community venues safely.